hoping to get this one finished today. I've still got quite a lot to do, and I'm not sure what's worth, it being really sunny or it raining loads. Again, the blanket over the tent has helped, but it's not ideal. So I'm just gonna crack on with as much as I can, and then hopefully spend a lot of the evening tonight carving when it's dark to get the finer details and finish it off. I'm having to get into some pretty weird positions to carve this pumpkin. So you might have seen a video where I did a review of this customizer tool. The battery life I don't like because, you know, I can spend quite a few hours carving pumpkins or foam pumpkins. However, for odd little jobs on real pumpkins, I've found this tool really handy this year. Now the skin on this pumpkin is really soft, so I'm not going to be using the big ball one to lighten the skin like I have done on my Kang Pumpkin, which you can check out over here, wherever it is here. I bought this separately to the customizer. This is a really long, thin drill bit. It's good for getting deep lines into the pumpkin. Again, I think that's a job I'm going to have to do later on when it gets a bit darker. There's just now a stack of jobs which are just getting pushed back and back, which I would normally like to do now. It's just too light. Like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby. I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the moon. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need. So the light's starting to fade a bit now, so I can start working on some of the things I've been putting off while it's been too bright. So I've been putting off all the hands until it's a bit darker. Hands are pretty difficult at the best of times, so I didn't want to tackle them in the daylight. So I'm gonna start with them now. So this hand here is in front of this guy. At the moment it looks pretty flat against him because they're a very similar shade. So what I'm going to do is give the illusion of some perspective by brightening this hand up, which will bring this forward a bit, and just make it appear like it's in front of this fella instead of sort of flat onto him. You better get out the kitchen. Yeah, I could make a hit on whatever you pitching. Baby, let me fill up whatever you missing. Or you like it up at the top, it's a better view, isn't it? I'm not surprised at all, no way. Hey, what you need, come on, just pay the fee. I supply it all. Went up the mountain and it wasn't hard to climb at all. I think I'm getting close to being done with this one. You know, as always, there's loads of things I'm unhappy with about this. And I could honestly spend another week messing around with this. Sometimes it's just knowing when to call it a day and say it's done. So there's a few bits I want to hollow out a bit thinner from the inside, and then I want to go over this with some black pen in some areas and maybe give it an outline. I'm not sure about that yet. So please don't mess up the